Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix bad mood in Umamusume Pretty Derby game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, we need to understand what a bad mood actually is. So a bad mood is shown as a sad face or a blue face icon, means your horse girl's condition is low. It affects her training success rate, stat gains, and even race performance. The opposite is good mood. So this is an orange icon with a smiley face, which is going to boost results. Now, what we need to do to improve the bad mood is to use items that improve condition. So during training or preparation phases, look for and use those Ohara special hamburger or energy drink. So this is going to increase condition. Also, Uma friend juice or similar items also help raise the mood. These can be bought from the shop, training events, or even race rewards. Also, another thing we can do is rest at the dorm. So choose the rest option in training mode. Now, this recovers stamina and sometimes improves the mood, especially when the horse girl says she slept well. We'll try to rest when stamina is low and get double benefit, so stamina plus mood. Now, we can also use support cards with mood recovery skills. So to get that is go into Enhance and then click onto support cards. For example, your Tama-chan, Nice Nature, or Riku-chan may trigger mood recovery. Check their passive skills or event effects. Look for those that say condition up or rest up effect. And basically, you want to go ahead and avoid overtraining as well. So training when stamina is very low increases the chance of failure and worsen mood. So keep stamina above 30 to 40% before training again.